Hello, welcome back. Today, let's cover the top 5 drug interactions every pharmacist should know. First, warfarin and NSAIDs like ibuprofen. This combination can significantly increase bleeding risk, so always monitor patients closely and advise them to use alternative pain relievers when necessary. Second, ACE inhibitors such as lisinopril and potassium supplements. This can lead to hyperkalemia, a potentially dangerous condition. Regularly check serum potassium levels and educate patients on the signs of high potassium. Third, statins and grapefruit juice. Grapefruit juice can inhibit the metabolism of statins, increasing the risk of toxicity. Recommend that patients avoid grapefruit products while on statin therapy. Fourth, some antibiotics, like rifampin, can reduce the effectiveness of oral contraceptives, potentially leading to unintended pregnancies. Advise patients to use backup contraception during antibiotic treatment. Lastly, combining SSRIs, such as fluoxetine and MAO inhibitors, can cause serotonin syndrome, a life-threatening condition. Ensure a proper washout period between these medications. Always stay informed and educate your patients about these interactions to ensure their safety. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video for more clinical pharmacy tips.